Hi everyone, this is James Tryon with Honors WP, and in this video we're going to review how the unique user content for LearnDash plugin works. I have several tabs open. We're assuming you already have the plugin installed. Once you have it installed and activated, you're going to see a new menu underneath your LearnDash LMS menu called Unique User Content. I have 3 already started. It's just like any other poster page. You're going to click the button at the top, add new unique user content. I'm going to add this bit of unique content to our private chat course. This is our list of courses in our test site, and I'm going to add this bit of unique content to the how to private chat course. So this is your normal block editor inside the admin of WordPress. And below that, you might see a couple accordion blocks depending on your settings. You'll see 3 little dots over here on the side. And if you scroll down, you'll see preferences and you'll see panels. This controls everything that you see on the screen. We're not really going to mess with that, but if you don't see something or if you see too much, like for example, we can turn off custom fields. And that section is no longer there. You'll see these arrows that toggle and open and close. The 3 settings that have to do with unique content is the associated courses, associated groups, and associated users. You can have conditions that have courses and groups, or courses or groups and users. You cannot have conditions that are only set to users, because based off what you assign in these 2 inputs, it automatically shows up in the actual course. I'm reopening the page that I saved. Okay, so you can see that there's nothing set here. Let's refresh this page to show that there's nothing set here. Now our unique content is gone. I'm going to scroll down here to the associated courses and how to private chat. I'm going to select that. I'm going to hit update. We come back here to how to private chat. I'm going to refresh. And now you can see that it's there. But if you want to limit it to a unique person, let's do that. So I'm going to say this is for Justin. So I'm going to update. So now this bit of unique content is just for Justin. So if I go back over to the course, refresh, I'm not Justin. I'm not logged in as Justin, so I will not see the unique content. So let's go back over to unique content. Let's add my learner. I'm logged in as the tip learner. So now it could be Justin or the tip user logged in and registered to the course private chat. We'll hit update. I'm going to refresh my course page. Now our unique content is there. And that's how you would use the unique user content for LearnDash. If you have any questions, please email support@honorswp.com. Thank you.